Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement. So right now in large format, all of our extra cardboard cores are kept under the table, just kind of thrown together like this. So I'm going to make an improvement to it. Alright, so what I've done is I've got these down to our less commonly used ones that we still like to keep on hand. So I've got two 63-inch cores, a 54-inch for when we swap out the laminate backer, and a 38-inch for when we're doing small banners and smaller rolls of materials. And then I've taken all the other cores, I've thrown a couple away that were just excess inventory, and then I've got one on this printer, one on this printer so that they're always ready for material to be put on a take-up. And then I've got 3 in the outgas box here. So when this printer's done, this roll will go and it'll go into that 4th spot. You can pull the next core out, put it on the printer, and that way you have the exact amount that you need for any prints that we're doing that are outgassing, because we don't have more than 4 spots for them to sit overnight, so we don't need more than 4 cores on hand for that. So just getting rid of a little excess inventory and putting everything at their point of use.